Hi everybody, Jason Little here with Kelowna Chrysler, and today I have a very unique vehicle for you to showcase. We have a 2013 Toyota Sienna built for accessibility. For ease of entry and exit, you do have power sliding doors, also a power ramp with hydraulic suspension for ease of entry and exit. In addition, we have multiple tie-down points inside the cabin here, as well as removable front passenger and driver seats for more room for accessibility and storage, as well as a backup camera. And this is a 2013 again, guys, with only 78,000 kilometers. That's right, we have this listed for $41,900, price to sell immediately here at Kelowna Chrysler. Now, you can get a hold of me directly at 250-763-6121 or at www.kelownachrysler.com, or just contact me directly, Jason Little, at 250-469-3333. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. I look forward to hearing from you.